The Treasury Department has sanctioned Tornado Cash in various crypto wallet addresses linked with Tornado Cash. This implies that the protocol and its accompanying smart contracts are now blacklisted, making them forbidden to be used in the United States. Now, Tornado Cash is a privacy tool that allows users to hide where their assets have been and where they're going. It converts blockchain technology's transparency into a black box, concealing your crypto exchange. Pretty much, it's just a place where people can hide where their crypto is going. Now, the Treasury defended the action by claiming that the Lazarus organization, a hacking group with links to North Korea, has been utilizing the site to launder stolen crypto, including $96 million from the recent Harmony Bridge attack. The Treasury said that the service has been used to launder more than $7 billion worth of the virtual currency since its creation in 2019. According to the crypto company Elliptic, not all money was technically laundered. Fun fact, did you know that tornadoes are so crazy that it makes you want to slap the like button? I know, it's cheesy, but hey, I'm trying, right? While you're down there, you might as well hit that red button too. All right, now let's get back to the video. Let's talk about how Tornado Cash works. When a buyer uses a crypto wallet to pay for something, the transfer's recipient can access the buyer's public crypto wallet, which then displays account details and history. Everyone uses Tornado Cash as a legitimate way to protect their privacy and money in this still developing crypto market. A crypto mixing service like Tornado Cash protects crucial information by rendering the funds anonymously and masking the buyer's identity. It pretty much is like a tornado where it mixes things up and throws it in the air, and yeah, anyways. It has been noted that Tornado Cash serves as the gateway for every hack on a blockchain-based protocol. Tornado Cash is a completely decentralized, non-custodial protocol that enables users to perform private transactions in the crypto space. The Ethereum blockchain has a decentralized protocol used to build Tornado Cash smart contracts, making them immutable. Now, they are impervious to modification or tampering. Because of this, nobody, not even the original developers, can change or disable them. The community deploys all governance and mining smart contracts decentralized. As a non-custodial protocol, users keep custody of their cryptocurrencies while using Tornado Cash. With each deposit, they are provided a private key to access the deposited funds, giving them complete control over their crypto assets. Authorities have always condemned Tornado Cash worldwide as it provides untraceable transactions. Eventually, due to this, the US government imposed sanctions on the crypto mixer. Tornado Cash, on the other hand, has always had the backing of the blockchain community since it has maintained secrecy that no other DApp has been able to achieve. Despite the backlash and sanctions of the authorities, the community showing their support has created minor links of the crypto mixer. Now let's talk about why Tornado Cash was down by 50%. The Office of Foreign Assets Control prohibited US citizens from utilizing Tornado Cash, following a statement on August 8th. As a result, the agency put it on its list of specially designated nationals. The US Treasury Department added that Tornado Cash provides a platform for laundering proceeds of cybercrime, including those conducted against victims in the United States. Now, after the announcement, the price of the protocol's native token, Tornado, dropped by 48% within 24 hours and about 50% 5 days later. So how has the token fared since this ordeal began? Well, let me tell you. According to the data from CoinMarketCap, a spike of 122% in trading activity. Tornado logged a figure of $55.9 million in trading volume. Now, in the same period, the price dropped by 15%. This seemed to hint a significant sell for Tornado without corresponding price growth. According to Elliptic, around $7.6 billion worth of cryptocurrency has moved via Tornado, although only $1.5 billion was obtained illegally and therefore laundered. Now, another blockchain monitoring organization said that the DeFi contributed roughly $7.6 billion in total. The US Treasury Department blacklisted Tornado Cash. The larger crypto community is outraged that the privacy-focused service has been banned. Now, according to the cryptocurrency advocacy group Coin Center, the sanctions do not necessarily a specific terrorist group or the like, but rather all Americans who may wish to use this automated tool for their privacy while transacting online who are having their liberty without the benefit of any due process. Even Ethereum co-founder Vitalik admitted using Tornado to donate to Ukraine before it was blacklisted. Now, aside from the claimed privacy breaches, the new punishments have had some fascinating rippling effects within DeFi that we're only now beginning to witness. The Tornado Cash addresses were quickly blacklisted from the centralized exchange DYDX. The project also claimed that its long-used compliance providers were overwhelmed by a sudden rush of flagged accounts. However, DYDX revealed that many of these accounts have never directly interacted with Tornado Cash. It is an unfortunate failure demonstrating how compliant some crypto projects, even decentralized efforts, aim to be. Now let's talk about how the Tornado Cash developer was arrested in Amsterdam. A 29-year-old man was arrested in Amsterdam on suspicion of being involved with the development of Tornado Cash. The Fiscal Information and Investigating Service of the Netherlands reported the arrest, which investigates financial crimes in the country. The 29-year-old man is suspected of participation in hiding illegal financial flows and enabling money laundering. Now, apparently, no additional arrests have been ruled out yet as the Tornado case continues. I'm sure we will hear about more arrests being made in the days to come as this unfolds more and more every day. Now, if you guys love crypto, check out this video right here, and I will see you there.